Welcome back to my channel. In this 1-minute tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert audio and video in a presentation. This helps you make your presentation much more interactive. So let's get going. Go to Insert, click on Video and choose the video that you want to insert, and that's about it. Your video is inserted. Just go on full screen mode and click on the play button for the video to play. If you want your video to play automatically, you have an option. Double click on the video, go to playback, go to start and click on automatically, which means the moment you come on slideshow, your video will play automatically. So no goof ups there. You can also change the size of the video by just stretching it from the corner. Now let's learn about audio. Click on insert, go to audio, choose the audio that you want to insert, and that's about it. Your audio will be inserted. If you want your audio to be played throughout the slide, click on the option of play across slides in playback. If you want to hide the sign, this sign that is showing in slideshow, you can click on hide during show, which means the sign of sound wouldn't show. If you want your audio to be played without any stop, you can click on loop until stopped. So even if your video is small, it will keep playing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it.